Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I have a video that I'm going to be doing some follow-up answers to some questions I've been receiving on the OnePlus 6T and the reason I purchased it from T-Mobile. And I'm also going to tell you why you should not purchase it from T-Mobile. First things first is, why did I purchase it from T-Mobile? Well, mainly because when it came out on November 1st, T-Mobile was the only retailer that you could actually walk into a store and pick one up. If not, I would have had to order it and waited for it to come in. And I really wanted to get some videos on it out to you guys. And I have T-Mobile, so it being on T-Mobile wasn't a big deal to me. But what is a big deal to me is the fact that the bootloader is locked, the fact that the software updates are behind, and the fact that really you lose out on all the features that OnePlus has stood for in the past. And that's a really big concern to most people that I've been reading on the forums, and that's pretty much the main reason a lot of people are returning their OnePlus 6Ts to T-Mobile and ordering them directly from OnePlus. So when you order it from OnePlus, you get a dual SIM device, you get an unlocked device, not only carrier unlocked but bootloader unlocked, so you can flash custom ROMs. You get software updates directly from OnePlus, so you don't have to wait. As soon as they're released, OnePlus will push it to your phone. It may take a day or two because they do roll them out in increments to different devices, but you're not waiting on T-Mobile to approve the rollout of the software update. So I do have mine carrier unlocked, which now which that does allow me to unlock the bootloader. So I can OEM unlock now, but I still have to request the bootloader unlock code from OnePlus because the bootloader itself is locked from T-Mobile or on the T-Mobile version. So you still have to request a bootloader unlock code from OnePlus, which could take 1 to 2 weeks according to the website. So that really sucks. OnePlus in the past has always been, very supportive of flashing custom ROMs, customizing your phone, doing different things like that, having fast software updates, having, all that kind of stuff. And really on the OnePlus 6T on T-Mobile, they've taken all that away because of this agreement with T-Mobile. And it's not really something that you would know if you just went out and bought a phone. They don't advertise this anywhere really. From looking on the T-Mobile Twitter and everything and all the questions they were answering for people before I picked this up, is they were telling people, it's bloatware free, which it kind of is. It only has a couple T-Mobile apps on it that I use anyway, like the T-Mobile app and the voicemail app. That kind of stuff is fine because they're apps that you're probably going to need. But it has the T-Mobile boot screen and all that kind of stuff, so them telling people it was bloatware free, kind of false. And at the same time, that also gave me the impression that, hey, they're just selling the OnePlus 6T on T-Mobile. It's going to be the same OnePlus 6T that you're going to get as if you purchased it from OnePlus directly, which it is not. You only get a single SIM device. Software updates have to come directly from T-Mobile, all that kind of stuff. Now, T-Mobile does say you have to wait 40 days after the device has been added to the network to unlock it. It also has to be paid off. I paid for mine in full upfront. And they went ahead and unlocked it. I didn't have any issues with that. I didn't have to wait 40 days. So like I said, when you unlock the SIM, you can also unlock your bootloader after that with getting the request from OnePlus 6, OnePlus 6, requesting the bootloader unlock code from OnePlus. You can unlock your OnePlus 6T. So you can flash custom ROMs after that. I haven't tried any yet, so I don't know what will work and what won't work. I have heard though that we cannot flash the global Oxygen OS on the OnePlus 6T because of modem differences between the global version and the T-Mobile version, so I haven't confirmed that yet. Hopefully that's not true because I really want to flash the global version on this so I can get updates directly from OnePlus and have all the other features that you've come to expect with a OnePlus device. Now that being said, should you go out and buy your OnePlus 6T at T-Mobile? And I'm going to say no, definitely not. It's the same amount of money to buy one from OnePlus. If you don't need the T-Mobile carrier financing, if you're not doing the trade-in, go directly through OnePlus. You're getting more out of your phone. If you do need the financing, if you do want to do a trade-in, go through T-Mobile, but you're going to lose some things, and you have to expect that. Now, to the average person walking into T-Mobile looking for a good solid device for under flagship price, is this a good device? I would say yes. If you're not looking for updates, if you're not the kind of person that installs the update the day it comes out, if you're not flashing custom ROMs or customizing your phone or playing around with it in that kind of way, then there's definitely no reason you shouldn't purchase this from T-Mobile. The phone itself is still great. Just being on T-Mobile, you're losing a couple of those features, and I wanted to let everybody know about that. So that is why I'm calling this video, do not buy your OnePlus 6T from T-Mobile, because a lot of people have been confused about that and the differences, and it wasn't really made readily available on OnePlus's website or T-Mobile when you purchase the phone, that you were going to be missing some of the features that everybody kind of expects from OnePlus. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments section below. And as always, have a great day.